Does he have it? Oh.
Yeah.
Jackson, give it to Dad.
Give me that ball. Give me that ball. Give me that ball. Give me that ball. Give me that. Give me that ball. I got it. I got it.
You don't have it. Jackson.
He's standing on my hand.
Huh?
He's standing on my hand.
Jackson, leave it. You have to...
Give me the ball. Give that ball to me. Give that ball to me. Give me that ball. I got him. Look, look, I got the ball. I can't get my arm out. I got the ball.
Where'd it go, Roxy? Where is it? Where'd it go?
Let's get the ball. Look. Go get it.
Go get it. It always run right under me and then I can't film it. We got a nice little barrier here. You could lay down behind this wall and throw snowballs.